What's up, YouTube? Those are coming at you with a multi-tool review today. Today I want to talk about the Sheffield Precision multi-tool. I'm going to start with the basics here. It does have a nice needle nose set of pliers, and it goes to a standard set of pliers with a wire cutters. This is made out of 440 stainless, as you can see here, 440 stainless. I've had this for a few years, so it's going to have some little nicks, maybe a little rust on it or something. It does stay in its sheath. It has been in the glove compartment of my pickup for a long time now. So we'll go ahead and get to the multi-tools here. What we have here is a nice saw blade. There you go, get the glare out of there. It's about 4 inches long. Now this is looks to me like a leather punch. Is what I believe it is. This thing has seen some use, so there will be some scratches on here. It's not clean, as you can see where it's kind of dirty right here. But that's just from the rubber. The oil's coming out of the rubber. Standard flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and put the blade down here. 4-inch drop point blade. Very nice. It is kind of sharp. Not razor's edge sharp, but it'll cut a rope. So what we have here is a can opener with another flathead on the end there. On the other side, we have a serrated blade. Nice serrations on here. More fine at the top, more aggressive at the bottom. Little mini flathead. Focus, there you go. Phillips head. Oh, focus, focus. Very nice. Larger flathead with a bottle opener. And a hard file and a soft file. Very nice handle, very ergonomic. Something you're not going to lose is this thing is kind of weighty. It's not light at all. It does fold up in a nice little bundle here. And this is not a play toy. This thing is serious. It is made like a German tank. Very big, very bulky, kind of heavy. I wouldn't suggest it be a everyday carry kind of thing, but in an emergency situation, it does serve its purpose, and I can vouch for that. I had a corroded battery terminal one day on my Mustang. Took care of that easy with the file, and actually took the terminal off with these with these needle nose pliers. So it has served its purpose. It's worth it. It's worth the money for it. I only paid about $15 for this about 5 years ago at an AutoZone. It was a spur of the moment kind of a buy. It does come with a very nice sheath, double stitched all the way around. Nice belt loop. And a nice firm button sheath. You can hear the button click. Unlike some of the other ones that have those weak buttons, tend to come open. This will not come open on you unless you want it to come open. This thing, sheets and everything, probably weighs a good pound. But anyway, you say this was in my truck, and it was in my Mustang, but now I have tool bags that go in my Mustang and the truck I am getting rid of because it has transmission problems. Very well made. Like I say again, it's worth it. It's worth the money for it. This is not the current model. There is, I think Sheffield does have a newer model and models. This is I think the one with the most tools on here. So they do have a few other ones that are just standard with just a couple of tools. This is, I believe, has 16 different functions. And that's my review on the Sheffield Precision multi-tool. This is Dozer again. If you like my videos, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We'll be doing contests in the future. And thank you again, and have a nice day.